Lots of stuff went down at the Alaska Airlines Classic last week. I went behind the scenes the entire day to capture the spirit of West. First, I went to our arts assembly where we saw our amazing artists show off their stuff. Then I went to hang out with our team behind OJ to see how they were doing broadcasting the basketball game. I interviewed Devin, Jericho, and Lily to get the inside scoop of how things went down.
The process of setting up this live stream was kind of arduous just because we had to tape a lot of wires down. Like there was a ton of wires, like all in the way of everything. So it took a long time to pull all the HDMI cables and things like that to find them in the production studio box and plug in all the right computers. So yeah, there's a lot of hard work going into it. I got to see how well Jericho could produce this thing and how fluid all the performances were, and really everything. It was just a good team effort, and it was a really good experience for not only production students like me, but foundation students.
So the best part for me with this whole thing was probably camaraderie of everybody. We all kind of banded together to finish it. It was really cool to see it play out the way it did.
I'd say my favorite part is being able to use the new graphics and the new technology for this live stream. The goal that I think all of us had was to make sure it was as seamless and as fun to watch as humanly possible. I'm trying to make quality content.